This is Nokia C12, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So the first step that I recommend you take is to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data if possible. Then you will need to find and touch and hold the nearby share icon at the control panel of your phone. Once you've made it to the nearby share page, you can activate the feature by toggling on the switch. Then you can rename the device if you want to. You can also manage your device visibility, enable or disable it, as well as restrict it or not restrict it, respectively. Then you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. And you, at this point, you're all set up and you are ready to use this feature. So I happen to have another phone on my hand, so let me take a screenshot and share it through the nearby share and send it to my Nokia. So here is my C12. Now we're going to accept the transfer at the receiver's end and wait for the image to be sent and received respectively. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.